Do you want to use Amazon Alexa to add items to your Notion database? Let me show you how to do it automatically using Zapier. In order to get started with this workflow, I need to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. I can create my Zap by typing in Amazon Alexa to Notion on the main page. Then I'll click Try It to get started. The trigger screen will then pop up. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. For this setup, you'll need to connect Zapier through your Amazon device. To do this, open up the Alexa app on your device, click on the 3 lines on the bottom screen, and then select Skills and Games. Once you've done that, type Zapier under the search bar and click Launch. Scroll through the prompts and you should be all set up. If this is your first time using Amazon Alexa with Zapier, you'll also need to link your account. Click Settings and then click Link Account. From there, log into your Zapier account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our trigger app's data. To do this, we'll need to type in the phrase that we want to trigger our Zap. I'm going to type in a custom message. I'll type, set up a meeting tomorrow. I want my Alexa to respond to my phrase, so I'll type in, what would you like to title your meeting under the additional prompt question, and then I'll click continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with Selected Record, and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is the task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Your event should already be chosen, so log into your Notion account just like you did with your Alexa account and then click Continue. From there, we can start to assign our trigger apps data into the Action Apps fields. I can select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Let's check our Notion account to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever we speak a phrase into our Amazon Alexa, the data will automatically be uploaded onto our Notion database. I hope this was a helpful demo. And if Amazon Alexa and Notion aren't your thing, Zapier helps anyone connect apps and automate work. No coding required. You can sign up and start for free.